Hello everyone! Okay, I have no idea how to start this video. This is going to be a complete disaster, but please bear with me because I've never done this before. And I've been telling my friends that I'm going to make a YouTube channel for like 3 years now, and I never went through with it because I was scared and I didn't really have time. Actually, I had more than enough time. I'm just a procrastinator. So today we're going to pull through with it because I'm home alone, I'm sick, and I'm bored, and I don't really have anything else to do. So we'll see how it goes. Please just bear with me. And what am I going to do today? I'm going to do my makeup. I literally brought everything over from my little makeup table over there to here because the lighting is way better, and if I did over there, I would look 100 times worse than it is, even though I'm sick and I look tired because I haven't been sleeping at all. So we're gonna fix that with makeup because makeup can do absolutely anything. But yeah, so please bear with me. I'm doing it on this little mirror that is literally has fingerprints all over it. And yeah, this might end up being a complete disaster. So we'll see. Let's begin. Alright, so I have my primer on. I put it everywhere. And what are we gonna start with? If you're a makeup guru or something watching this, please don't criticize me. I literally do everything backwards. Like, people are like, yeah, you have to do like your eyebrows first and your eyeshadow first and then your foundation. Well, I don't do that, okay? I do it backwards and I like it that way. And I don't need anyone telling me that I'm doing it wrong because I'm doing it right in my eyes. So yeah, this is my channel, so I get to make the rules. Okay, second of all, I did my primer. What do I need next? Okay, what do I do next? I actually do foundation next. And did I bring anything over here? I did. And my favorite foundation is the Milani. Oh, it's a disaster. It's really old. Yeah, I need to get new foundation. But it is the Conceal and Perfect foundation and concealer. Dude, this stuff is so good. I swear. I literally break out. And this covers everything, I promise you. But I need my brushes. I put my brushes over here. Where are they? Okay. We'll use this one. I actually cleaned all my brushes the other night. Haha. Alright. So what I put like a pump on here because you know what? I don't feel... No! I got foundation on my curtain! Whatever. It's like... You don't see it. Okay. This looks like not my skin tone color at all in the video, but it's fine. It's fine because I'm not adding that much anyway. Actually, this is kind of a lot, but it's fine. It's all good. We're gonna make it work, and then we are going to blend. And then we add concealer, my favorite thing in the world. And I use a Tarte Shape Tape because Shape Tape is what covers all my flaws, and it's fantastic because I get to be something I'm not for today, and I love that. So put that under my eyeballs, some right here, and then on my forehead, and I have this pimple right here, so I'm gonna cover this up. Right there. Alright, we're just gonna put it everywhere. Oh, alright, this is fine. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use the Morphe Times, or is it X or Times? I really don't know. Jaclyn Hill. And there is all my eyelash glue on it because I put it on here and then I dip it in and then I put it on my eye. So please don't judge me, it's fine. But this is, I don't know which palette this is. Does it say? No, I don't see it. Am I stupid? Ring the alarm! Okay, I guess that's the palette name. Anyways, we're gonna use that because I like oranges on my eyelids because, I don't know, I just like them. I don't know if is that good with green eyes? I have green eyes, by the way. But I just like it. So I'm going to use the color Rush first, even though it's kind of dark. I'm gonna get like crucified by the makeup people, by the makeup world. It's good though, it's fine. All right, so I'm gonna take Rush and I'm going to put it gently on my eyelids. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. I don't really care if you like it or not. but this is just my thing. Alright, so now we kind of have something going on here. I'm not an expert, but you know what? I kind of like it. This is kind of cool. Alright, so I have my eyeshadow on. Actually, I'm not done. What am I talking about? I am not finished. I'm going to take this sparkly color, sparkly metallic, I don't know. It's called Boom. But I'm literally just going to do it with my finger because that's what I always do because I feel like the brushes just like don't work as good. And I'm gonna literally just put it like all over the top of the lid. And okay, yeah, I can't do it like that. All right, so I'm actually gonna use that dark orange kind of color, and I'm going to do like my waterline like underneath here. So now I'm going to do some liquid liner. And I use the NYX, the vinyl, I think it's vinyl. Yeah, it's vinyl. Liquid liner. This is like my favorite thing. I've used it for so many years now. And you know what? Even though, you know, it stresses me out, when I mess it up, it's so worth it when I actually do it correctly. Might mess it up now, but I need to put this down. Oof. If I get any of this makeup on my bed, I will literally scream because I have all white and like baby pink sheets. So, wish me luck. We're gonna do this wing liner. All right, so next we are going to do eyelashes, my favorite part of my routine ever. I love eyelashes. I got eyelash extensions once and I loved them. They were so beautiful, but I like rub my eyes really hard, and with eyelash extensions I couldn't do that, so they were just not for me. I'd rather just like at the end of the day, and that's great for me. Where's my glass glue? Oh my god, it's been a long day. Actually, it hasn't. I've done absolutely nothing today. I don't think I even ate anything yet, minus like my Dayquil. That's not eating, that's drinking. It's all good though. Alright, so my glue is like not that good. Oh, I use Duo, by the way. I like the pink one because it's like dark, and usually I wear eyeliner so it like blends when I mess it up and you get it all over my eyelid. So yeah. Alright, so next we are gonna do my eyebrows because my eyebrows are looking crazy. I actually really need to wax them. I waxed my own eyebrows at home because when I got sick with cancer, my doctor was like, you cannot go to the salon and get them waxed because you're just not supposed to do that. So I bought my own waxing kit and I did it myself. And yeah, I continue to do it. I never had an issue. I mean, I've had plenty of issues, but my eyebrows always look good, and that is all that matters to me. And I'm healthy, so it's fine. Okay, so what do we start with? Wow, this is a mess. I can't find anything. Okay, so I will use my Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia. Okay, I have had this for like 6 years and it is still freaking full. It's dry, but it works because I put the e.l.f. hydrating drops into it and it's like brand new all over again. But yeah, I've had this for literally my whole life of doing makeup. And I don't plan on getting another one because it freaking works. So, alright, so I did my eyebrows. Well, I filled it in, not all the way. I literally just go like up to here. I never fill in my whole eyebrow because I feel like that looks crazy and I'm not trying to look crazier than I already look, so we just do the ends. And now I'm going to use the brow gel. I actually got this the other day. It was $2.99. Essence, what is it, Make Me Brows, $2.99 at Ulta, and I really like it. It works really well. Alright, so after I'm finished with my eyebrows, I'm going to move on to doing highlighting and contouring. I know it's so backwards, like people, when I watch them, do it completely different, but I like doing it like this, so please don't judge me. Alright, so what I'm going to do is my favorite thing in the world. It is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. I just call them little highlighting drops. Oh my god, this stuff is so good. I've had this for like 2 years now, and it's like full, and I use it like every day, even without makeup. Well, technically this is makeup, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I literally just like touch it with my finger, and I should probably do this with like a brush or something. So I put on those drops, and oh my god, my skin looks so good. Do you guys see that? Do I look like this in real life? Probably not. Whew, okay. I'm excited now. I want to like go out and do stuff, but I can't because COVID and I'm immunocompromised. So, what do I do next? I got so distracted. Okay. Oh, contouring. So, for contouring, I usually use the Kat Von D if I'm at home, but if I go out, I literally just bring a bronzer, and it is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This stuff is literally heaven. Oh my god, I love this stuff so much. So, honestly, I'm just gonna use this because this is just better. And what I do is, I don't really like contour, I kind of just bronze my face, and I do it with a big like brush like this, but it's kind of like, it's not like super fluffy. It's kind of like hard right here. I don't know how to explain it, but it works. So what I do is this, and then I'm gonna contour like this. So now that I have contoured, even though it wasn't really like contouring, I kind of just all over my face. The only thing I have left really is blush, because blush recently I cannot go without. I don't know why, it just made a giant impact on my life, you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So I take, oh, I forgot to say what it is. It's Too Faced. I got this at, where'd I get this? It wasn't at Ulta, it was at TJ Maxx. I got this at TJ Maxx for like $10, I think, and it is the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks. I like that. Ginger peach. Oh my god, I love this stuff so much because it's like creamy. Oh my god, it's so awesome. But I put it on with a brush. Okay, now my finger is orange. Well, not orange, it's like pink orange. So I literally just like do the same brush that I contoured with. I just smile. Oh, this is gonna look weird. I smile and then I just dab. So now that I am done with the last highlight, oh my god, do you see that? That's crazy. Wow. Okay, my skin looks so good right now. I am shocked. So I usually don't do like lipstick or anything like that, but I feel like I should. So I'll be right back. So this is my final look, and I actually don't hate it that much. I actually really like it. Minus the lipstick. I'm not big on the lipstick because I don't really use lipstick like that, but honestly, not too bad. The only thing I have left is some setting spray, and I have the Up All Night makeup setting spray, and it is a mattifying setting spray. I got this at TJ Maxx for like $7, and I swear by it. The first time I used this was at my boyfriend's house. His sister had this, and I used it, and I fell in love with it. I really like it, and it smells so good. Oh my god. But the other one I really like is the Morphe one. The Morphe ones are so good. I got a mattifying one just like a few days ago, and I love this stuff. The original one though, cool. And I know they have a dewy one too, so like if you have dry skin, Morphe, just I love Morphe stuff. It's so cheap and so good, and I just love everything about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So like all the YouTubers say, thank you so much for watching, subscribe to my channel, and I don't know what else they say, but honestly, I feel like this went a lot better than I thought it would. I thought I was gonna quit in the middle of it, but I didn't. So maybe I will stay committed enough to make another video, and it won't be just makeup. I definitely want to do like skincare and like food and all the other stuff I enjoy doing a lot more than makeup. Honestly, I feel like that would be a lot more entertaining than makeup, because even for me, this was kind of boring, but I didn't really have any other options today, so yeah, so we'll see what happens. And yeah, actually, thank you for watching. If you did end up finishing this video, you have patience, and thank you for being patient with me. And yeah, see you next time.